For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao sounded an alert as heavy rains triggered flood situation in some parts of the state and also directed the concerned officials to be on alert. An 80-year-old woman and her 50-year-old daughter died after their house collapsed in Nagar Karnool district. Several tanks and canals were overflowing due to the heavy rains lashing the state under the influence of a low-pressure area of the Bay of Bengal. Parts of Warangal town were inundated due to incessant rain and the local authorities launched rescue and relief operations. Local authorities shifted people from affected areas to nearby relief camps. United Karimnagar and Warangal districts have recorded the highest rainfall and tanks in these districts were filled to their capacity. Along with the helicopter owned by the state government, one chopper from the military has also been kept ready for use. Meanwhile, as the Godavari is in spate, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy has asked the concerned officials to be on high alert. The Chief Minister instructed the official machinery to evacuate people from low-lying areas and asked officials to be on high alert in East and West Godavari districts. Chief Minister told the officials to set up relief camps and move people from the low-lying areas to safer places and be in touch with National Disaster Response Force teams in case of emergency. Chief Minister also directed that relief and rehabilitation works should be carried out and updates should be sent to him. The Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister also inquired about the flood situation in Krishna district where it has been raining heavily. Officials from the irrigation department appealed to people of low-lying areas to be on alert. River Krishna is overflowing at Prakasham Barrage in Vijayawada. The flood water level is increasing at a fast pace. A huge amount of water is accumulating at the barrage due to rains in upper areas. The irrigation department has lifted 70 gates and leaving the flood water into the sea. It's not just states in South India that have borne the brunt of rains. Even Gujarat has been severely affected. Heavy rains slashed parts of South and Central Gujarat districts, leaving many low-lying areas waterlogged, especially in Surat and Vadodara. Thousands of people have been evacuated in this regard and have been shifted to shelter camps. In Surat district, more than 1,500 people were shifted to safer places, including over 1,100 in Udna area of the city. The water level of the Tapi river rose after water was released at the rate of about 70,000 cusecs from the Ukai Dam. Monsoon remained vigorous over Gujarat region as well as Saurashtra Kutch, with the cyclonic circulation over Kutch and adjoining South Pakistan shifting towards South Gujarat region. In Vadodara too, water gushed into slum areas, necessitating the evacuation of residents. A total of 306 roads, including a national highway in Anand district, remained closed due to flooding. Gujarat has so far received 74.56% of the average rainfall.
For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.